Hey, back to you with FitForm&Function. I'm Dylan.
I'm Brian.
And today we're going to change out our radiator.
This is Brian here, and what you want to do is you want to loosen this so the coolant will come out, and we'll let it drain for a little bit.
We got the radiator all cleaned out and we're cooling in it. We got the plug back in there so it won't drip all over the place. So what we have to do now is we're going to take these two hoses loose, get the coolant out, because I'm sure there's some left in there. I'm going to take this hose off. Don't need that connected right now. We're going to take this fan shroud back after we got those loose and basically just pull the radiator out. Alright, we got the radiator in. We're ready to fill it full of coolant. What you have to do, since you basically open up the whole system, is you got to burp the car. So we've had this car up on jack stands for other projects. Now we're going to lower the back end so the front end's up higher. It's going to be easier to burp, fill it full of coolant, and we're going to run it. So here we go. Alright, now we're ready to add some coolant. You can either get the full concentrate and mix it 50-50 with water, or you can just get the pre-mixed. I got the pre-mix. So we're going to fill it up all the way as much as we can. And then once it's full, we'll have Brian hop in, crank it up, and we'll burp it. Go ahead and hop in and crank it up. You're going to want to leave the cap off this entire time because you don't want to pressurize the system. He needs the keys. Alright, we got it running. Basically all he has to do, and there's a little bit of stumble on the run, that's basically to get started, put the fuel filter on, put the gas in the fuel, got it going. It actually hasn't run in probably about a month, but we're basically going to run the